India Israel Bilateral Investment Agreement. Did you know how India and Israel have just taken a historic step to boost trade and investments worth billions of dollars? Let's break down what the new bilateral investment agreement really means. What happened? On 8 September 2025, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and her Israeli counterpart Bezalel Smotrich signed the India-Israel bilateral investment agreement in New Delhi. It's designed to give investors more protection, more certainty, and faster dispute resolution through arbitration. Why it matters? Safeguards investment against unfair expropriation. It ensures transparency in rules and policies. It grants smooth money transfers and compensation for losses. It balances investor protection with India's sovereign right to regulate. The current bilateral investments stand at USD 800 million, but with this agreement, the figure is expected to grow significantly. The sectors of cooperation include both countries will now deepen ties in fintech and digital payments, infrastructure development, cybersecurity and defense, high tech innovation, and financial regulation. The shared challenges and values include both ministers condemn terrorism and express solidarity, noting that security challenges unite India and Israel. They also highlighted their shared civilizational ethos and commitment to global peace and economic growth. The India Israel Bilateral Investment Agreement isn't just a trade deal, it's a strategic partnership for the future. From fintech to defense, this agreement would redefine how the two nations collaborate in the global economy.